Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for joining me. In the mail came, like so, bent, my LED strip. It's really small, and I thought this was really much bigger. So I am going to have to figure out how I'm going to attach this. It has 3M glue, so it can't be that hard to do. We all know what happens with thin glue. It may just come off. The good part about this is it's got a pin to go dead center like so. I have the option if I want to put in a dome light, which I'm not. I don't think my light is a push plug, but if it is, I got it right there. And that is interesting. I think I got a module that just accepts those two wires. Bring it nice and close to you. See what it looks like. I'm getting ready to install this and let you know how it is. When it gets nighttime, you'll figure it out. I do apologize for all the junk in the trunk. Let me see if I could snap this light out. It wasn't hard the last time. Shouldn't be too hard this time. This is my light. It should have a cover on it. Simply pull the light out. Simply place the new piece in. Doesn't matter if there's positive, negative, I don't think it's going to make a difference. But you'll figure out how simple this is to put in. Goes in. I simply place it like so, snap it in, and I'll show you a little closer shot how to install this. You guys can see this right here. This is my plug. My problem is when I plug this in, my light's going to come on. And it goes in one particular way. This is snap-on, and this is the piece here. And then I just basically snap it back in. Here's my wire. This is the strip. It plugs in here. And you can see I have things in the way. My speaker and this piece of metal. Is that a better angle for you? It plugs in here. And then I got this metal piece in the way. So I could get one side there perfectly, but not the other. I'm not sure why I got an extra strip there at all. But anyway, peel the strip off. You'll line everything up nice and close. Make sure black goes for black and red goes for red, or else you're going to blow your fuse. I only got 6 lights on, but there are 9 lights. Well, something's not right, if you ask me. I guess these are all extras, and these over here are just not going to work. If I had some modification of my own, get a better lighting system, which I will, I would put more lights in the trunk. Can you say that is a fair test that you got light? I could definitely say that is a fair test. Much brighter, but will come out at nighttime to really see the difference. Just to verify the light is off, and it is. We'll check it out later. It is not 100% nighttime, but there you have a well-lit trunk. Very simple to see. The additional piece already set up to go. Put a little splice in the wire, a little tape, and I am good to go. So on that note, premium LEDs, they came in defective. It happens. And there you have a well-lit trunk. Thank you very much for viewing. We'll give you an update at a later time. It's nighttime. There's the trunk as promised. It's much darker out. Well lit. I can see definitely everything in my trunk. I'm going to get the additional strips on. Premium LEDs contacted me. He wants me to personally email him, and hopefully I should get the another set out. But I'm going to have another 6 LEDs lit up, and that should definitely do the trick, having about 12 to 14 instead. Have a great night and enjoy.